You know how I'm all about spooky season, and well, every year Rivian ends up coming out with a Halloween mode for us. My credentials. Yeah, I even grow my own pumpkins. Grow those myself. Maple, are you ready for spooky season? You are. Well, I did play with it just a little bit today. I kind of want to go through all the settings with you guys and experience the main part for myself with you guys. So let's go check it out. I already turned on the owl mode whenever you lock it. But unlike the other years, it's not for your unlock. I think the main reason why they didn't do that is because it got annoying after a while. But I think the piano music was just annoying by itself. So once you actually get into your settings, you will see these 3 different lock sounds. Your Bluebird. Where's the button? Your owl. And your crow. Also, this is where you can go into your display and you could choose different colors due to the accent. Oh lord, sorry, that was really loud. But this is Crimson Mood. It turns the inside red and has the crow sound with it too. Kinda awesome. It's red. It's really red. So let's go ahead and check out this other color, which is a green, which is an alien. Kind of reminds me of the Bayou. It's cool. It's not my favorite. I still think the Crimson Moon is my favorite. Now for the fun part, which is on your app. I feel like I'm Jose right now, because this is exactly how he recorded his. But we got our app right here, and on the Rivian app, we are actually going to screen record this so you can see this right over there. So once we open up the Rivian app, we're going to go down and look at Get Spooky. So let's check this out. There's 3 different settings. We got Kit. Do you guys know who our Kit is? Are you guys too young for that? The Knight Rider. I'm sure you guys remember the Knight Rider. And then the Time Machine from Back to the Future. And then Trunk or Treat. Kind of awesome. Let's check out Kit first. All right, here we go with Kit. We're going to activate it. Now remember, this is going around the forums right now. You're going to need to press the brake or put it in drive to turn it off, or else it will eat your battery. Alright, quick update. Apparently for the Gen 2's Halloween theme has been taken away. There seems to be some kind of issue that actually stops the vehicles from working properly. In fact, on Reddit, they're talking about their brake lights or the turn signals are not working, and that's a safety problem. Wasim on Twitter, here's the tweet right here, states, "We're temporarily pausing car costumes on Gen 2. We will make them available again as soon as possible. Rest of Halloween in-car features still in." So, that's a hiccup. Hopefully no one got rear-ended or anything like that, because that could be bad. I'll put the link to the Reddit in the comments or in the description below so that you guys can read what's all going on. So let's activate it. Oh my god. Look, it's not even the Knight Rider there, it's my truck. Auto Cruise, Pursuit, Satcom, Auxiliary. Oh, let's go. It would be so cool if we can actually put this on for a while. Man, this brings back nostalgia like no other. I used to sit and eat like some Dorito chips and watch this. Awesome. You can turn the music off. Sound effects. Oh, we got sound effects. Oh! Oh my goodness, here he goes. Nice. We're gonna turn that off. we are now off. Let's go press back, and let's click on the time machine. Here we go. In 3. Actually, let's bring it all the way back here so we can see the whole screen. And turn activate. Wait, activate. It's not a slide. It looks like a slide. We're gonna go 88 miles per hour. Oh, October 31st, 2024. That's my destination time. From 1985. 1985, man, that's whenever I was born. 1955. Let's go look over here. Oh, plutonium chamber. Levels set to 88. Yeah, let's go. Percent power. We need more power. We need a lot more power than that. I'm like a child. Doc. Oh, man. It was good. Now let's see what the sound effects are here. Oh, let's turn off the music. It's so cool to see your truck as, like, the car from back to the good old DeLorean. Oh, man. All right. Let's turn this one off. And let's try trunk or treat now. Activate. Oh, spider! Gary! Gary, what are you doing, Gary? Why do you look like Grimace? Oh dear God, look at that spider. Look at that spider. Even the front is doing something. Gary, are you upside down? Whoa! Gary! Gary! Your teeth are over here. Why do you only have 3 teeth? Gary, do we have to bring you to a doctor? Oh! Is the spider gonna come over here? Oh, that's a hand. That was creepy. That was weird. Let's bring it back over here. Oh my goodness, Gary, you're scaring me. Gary, I'm scared. Now this is it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Show off a few people. Gary, I did not know you only had 3 teeth. I feel bad for you. I'm not trying to pick on you, Gary. Let's check out the other lighting themes. So this is supposed to be more of an orange purple. Okay, there we go. We're still gonna have green up front because I have a Gen 1, but that's okay. Let's check out this more redder one. Yeah, there it goes. It's a little bit redder. Exterior lights on. Oh, there's even more. This is called Scary's Soundscape. Let's do Spooky Dance Floor. Okay. I can see going to a trunk or treat or something and then having this go with the lights. Do I have tail lights going on right now? I don't think my tail light is doing anything. Or is it? Wait, I need my mirrors. Oh, I can't bring up my mirrors. No, I don't believe my tail light is doing anything. Just my front. Alright, let's try this Phantom Waltz. Oh. Alright. So let's turn off the music real quick. And let's try these different sound effects. I think that's a witch's hat. Okay. Spaceship. Oh, a bat? Why was there an owl? Alright, let's try the ghost. That sounds like not a ghost. That sounds like an alien. This is a wolf, I think. Imagine doing that in the middle of the woods. Pumpkin? Oh, okay. Chemist? Oh, alrighty then. And then, I guess this is a scream? wait till Gary pops back up. Hold up. Nope, Not there, Gary. Gary, I need to see your face. Here you go. All right. So I think that is it. Remember to turn it off. Now that we're out of it, go ahead and press the brake for good measure, and then let's go ahead and put it into drive just to make sure that I am turning it off. I barely used any power right now because I was already at 80%. So, yeah. It is kind of cool. It's a lot better than last year. They've knocked it out the park with this one. I really wanted the first year one, but I didn't have my Rivian the first year. I had it the second year. Going on my year 2 of ownership right now. So I really enjoy this. You know, it's gimmicky. Yes, I get it, but just kind of it just kind of shows me that, like, hey, they actually care. And before you're in the comments, well, if they cared, the stocks would be higher, or they would fix the cars properly. Stop. It's spooky season. I'll make sure that some voodoo lady is gonna get your name if you don't stop. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful Halloween. I hope everything is going well for you. Enjoy the Day of the Dead if you celebrate that. To my Hispanic, Latino brethrens, family members, and wherever you are. But it's cool. You know, yeah. Anyways, I got a few things coming up in the future to talk about. I am going to do another kind of like small gear release video off of a few things that I have bought that are just more of little additions, kind of like the first aid kit from Rivian. And then a few of my camping cookware stuff and everything. It is getting a little bit slower in my business, so that means I'm able to actually go out and adventure, which means I could push out more and more content. There'll be more camping. There'll be more. If you're into pews, I'll do a little bit of recording with some of that stuff, but I got to be careful with that on YouTube. So I may not do that. I'll probably do some outdoor cooking, some adventuring, some photography, and a lot of it is related to Rivian. So get ready for that in the future. There may actually be a change with the Rivian too. That Super Pacific is kind of calling my name. It's pricey. Buy once, cry once. Oh, well, anyways, again, have a great time. If you find any value in my content, comment below and tell me what is your favorite stuff that I cover and what would you like for me to cover. I'm not necessarily the most techie guy. I'm not Connor. You can go find them. A bunch of other people who are a lot more techie within the Rivian community. Again, that's not me, but we can go do dumb stuff if you want to go do dumb stuff. If you want to go try to rock crawl with this thing, we'll go. All right. Anyways, again, have a great time. I hope you guys take care.